It's like right in front of. Oh my god.
That's a tornado. Yo, that fucking is a tornado.
The severe weather upended cars, broke windows, and downed trees on Saturday, April 29, 2023. Residents were warned to stay clear of fallen power lines. A severe storm system that spawned tornadoes tore through an area near Palm Beach Garden Villa on Saturday, damaging homes and flipping cars, according to officials and witness accounts. Florida residents say the area had been hit by a storm that left several residents trapped between a boat and concrete building. The Palm Beach Garden Police Department asked the public to avoid an area east of the intracoastal waterway due to storm damage and because roads were blocked. Video shared on Twitter showed the aftermath of the storm, local residents describing feeling an extreme pressure change as the system moved through.
Shit. Holy shit.
Other videos show cars resting against one another, broken windows in a house, and downed trees. The village of North Palm Beach said on Twitter that police officers, rescue teams, and staff members from the Public Works Department were checking the area after a tornado touched down around 5:45 p.m. In an update after the damage was reported, forecasters say that the threat of severe weather would persist in the watch area and that there could be a brief tornado or two wind damage in hail.
Mike, hurry up.
The reports on Saturday came after days of severe weather in parts of Florida, with 3 tornadoes hitting Hosford, about 30 miles west of Tallahassee, on Thursday, downing trees and power lines and damaging homes. In Lynn Haven, about 50 miles southeast of Hosford, residents reported golf ball-sized hail. The Storm Prediction Center had issued a tornado watch, which meant conditions were favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms for much of central Florida from the Gulf of Mexico to Atlantic Ocean.